Hello viewers, today I am sharing you the recipe of tomato pickle. It's very easy to make. This homemade pickle can be eaten with rice, dosa, idly, pongal, curd rice. But for me, this is very convenient to make specially for suhoor. I store this for more than 2 weeks as it stays fresh for a long time. This goes well with ghee rice and kebab, especially at suhoor. So let's see how to make it. Wash the tomatoes and pat dry. Chop them and set this aside. Heat 1/4 cup mustard oil. Add all the chopped tomatoes. Now give this a very nice mix. Close the lid and cook this till tomatoes become soft. And now I'm going to add half cup tamarind pulp. Wash and remove the seeds of tamarind. Soak them well and make pulp. Mix this nicely and cook for a minute. Then switch off the flame and let it cool. Now transfer this to a jar. Pulse it twice. Don't make a smooth paste, just pulse twice is enough. Heat half cup mustard oil in a pan. Goes in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 4 crushed garlic cloves, 3 dry red chilies and some fresh curry leaves. Half teaspoon hing. Saute for few seconds. And I'm going to add the tomato puree. Give this a very nice mix. And to this I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin and fenugreek powder. Mix this nicely. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Now cook this on a slow flame till oil separates. Once done, serve hot with ghee rice and shami kebab on side. Though it is very convenient to buy a store-bought pickle, there are some pickles which can be easily made at home. I always make this a day before Ramadan starts and store this for at least 2 weeks in refrigerator so that it will be very easy for us to eat at suhoor. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you make recipes from our channel, make sure to post it and tag it on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.